He said this is not tasting good. Good morning. Today we are going further south to visit KAYAKING National Park. Behind me it's the KAYAKING Bridge, big harbor bridge. I would love to explore this area more, walk around more, but we have an early start, so get back to breakfast. So if you want to stay in Kaohsiung City, close by the harbor, the City Suites Hotel is perfect. It's just right by this bridge here. You can walk to the Pier 2 Art Center. There are restaurants and places to have fun. There's also a lot of artwork here on the pier. Great for taking photos. Kaohsiung, top. KAYAKING National Park, and you see the sun is strong, the wind is strong, everything is completely different from Alishan where we were yesterday. And we are here on the west coast of Hengchun Peninsula, and we are going to do two things. Here's a place where you can learn how to make tofu with sea salt, and later on we are going to the sea and do some sea kayaking. Yeah! Not sure how easy it will be with a strong wind, and we saw the sea already and it's white capped, so it will be quite a challenge. But so much fun, this trip. This looks like a cool old building. Let's go inside and have a look. Interesting little art objects here.
We bring the bittern back from the ocean, from the coral reef, and then we need to put it under the sun.
没啦，阿里得。
How to make soap?
这个是海水。
This is the normal ocean water. This is the bittern.
我们把重物放下去，它会往下沉。
This is the normal ocean water, and if you settle it under the sun, means the sun, to evaporate, 3 months later it will turn into this. This is the traditional way to make the salt.
The first thing you learn here, how to make salt from seawater. So they have a big wok and they put the salt water in and let it cook and it evaporates, and then you have the salt.
我们加热的方式让它慢慢结晶出来。
Technology and experience.
这个动作是从海水，然后到沿路 所以经过阳光曝晒，一直晒，一直晒，然后海水就很快乐，对不对？我们要等待一下哦。
We can try taste the soy milk. You want from the top? Okay. Those is the pickled radish.
After learning how the salt is made with seawater, everyone gets a bowl of soy milk. Looks natural. Let's have a try and see how it tastes. First of all, it's warm. It has a distinct earthen flavor, a bit of smoky flavor. It's not the usual soy milk you get from the convenience store. It's oh so natural.
让你闻到这个海潮味在会起直叫。到时的，我以为这个是妈妈他们会用东西
吃到海的那个味道。
Alright, next up is the natural tofu. Very soft. It's like a paste and it's a little bit salty. I guess that's the seawater salt. And it has a distinct natural flavor. And now I will add some preserved radish and see if it's any good. I added a little bit of radish. Looks spicy. And what is going on? 这个好吃吗？这个很好吃。有吃吗？没有。一点。He said this is not tasting good.
对呀。
Anyone want to experience it?
都是水啊。
还要试试看。
谁要多上去呀？
Okay. Put on the stove.
旗子流出来就擦海，
所以要一直看它水烂北。他在问我银河湾怎么处理。银河湾 OK 因为它那边的树林原本就很茂密。I saw the star.
会拿去当那个洗碗机。
Here we have star-shaped pan-fried cookie made from the leftovers of the tofu making process. Let's try it. A little bit sweet. They have added sugar. Nice tofu cookie. If you want to learn how to make salt from seawater and how tofu is made and want to taste natural tofu, then come to Houwan here and join a class. Now my hands are oily.
散热以后，让它不会结块。
Alright, now we have real tofu-shaped tofu. On top is radish with Good. One more tofu treat. This is tofu pudding with some sweet sauce. Oh, it's warm. It's warm, it's soft, it's sweet. It also has an earthen flavor. So if you like tofu, you want to come here. Alright, next up we are going to do kayaking. But I'm not sure if it's even possible. The wind is very strong and the sea is rough. Alright, here we are at Houwan. The sea looks quite rough, so I'm not sure how far out we can go. And the wind is very strong, so it will be a tough paddle.
Yeah. Are you not?
好，如果当中有问题的人，可以马上举手发问。有听得懂吗？可以哦。OK。 来，
I'm scared.
有没有人怕水的？安全头盔哈。那我们防滑鞋的话，不要太小。我转滑右脚。
So much fun! So the water is much calmer here. Over there were a lot of waves. To the left you can see what is the name of the museum?
The name of the what?
The name of the museum over there.
National Museum of Marine Biology and Aquarium.
Now you know. The weather is perfect, it's not raining and it's not the sun is not too hot. Oh shit! Sorry. sorry. Ah! That's the big one. Turn around again. Wait. Good one. So that was fun. We are now heading back. We didn't really catch a good wave, but at least we had a capsizing. That was fun, and I destroyed my microphone. So highly recommended this kind of water fun. Everyone is happy and wet. After the exciting kayaking in the sea over there, we now have a little lunch for nice hamburgers with French fries and salad. So we did capsize once and I'm all wet and I destroyed my microphone, so I have to use the GoPro again. Let's try the hamburger. You can see one layer of egg, some kind of meat, tomato and salad. The hamburger is really tasty. I can highly recommend this sea kayaking here in Houwan, Kenting National Park. We made it to our hotel here in Kenting. It's the Chateau Kenting. They have their own private beach. It's a very fine beach. And you can see the sea is a bit too rough to go swimming. And it's a beautiful day in Kenting. Next, we go on a night eco exploration tour. Hopefully we can see some wild animals. Wow! Didn't expect the water to come up so high. We are now in Schöting inside Kenting National Park, and we are going on a little night eco tour, exploring tour thing. Let's go.
晚上谢谢我们何老师替我翻译谢谢。风会很大，然后我们进去呢，第一，植物不要踩它，我们要尊重声音石头不要踩不要拿，还有机器蟹也不要捡好，那我们就要进去了好。以前早年都是糖尿病糖尿病使用它，现在不可以，我们现在有生病就要找医生
So the second find is a type of stick insect.
有一个 A， 对。
And the third find is a beautiful butterfly. A green snake, not a viper. In tour, we saw 2 snakes, 2 butterflies, and some other ugly insects.